All right, folks, we are right back at it. So we got this thing turned over one more time. So all the retainers and keepers and springs are out. So obviously, because we got the valves free. So just like I marked originally on the eyeball inspection of this thing. So these two jokers right here, number 6, they are stuck. So I'm pushing up on those with my middle finger in the air. So yeah, they are stuck. So without a doubt, those guides are gonna be suspect, even if even if, well, obviously they gotta come out, so they will come out. So in the process, they're going to compromise the guide, and especially if it's bronze, because the bronze is soft, So that's that. Then here's another one that was an X, and when you look at the pattern of the 45 and the ceiling, you can see it starts to get skinny right there, at about 8 o'clock on the dial. It gets skinny, and then if you keep going, see there, it's getting tight, it's getting skinny down towards 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and then it widens up again. So that means that's not sealing. The concentricity of all of this is not so great. And then the excessive amount of carbon buildup, Jesus Christ, and this is on the intake side, and it's like, god damn. So it was either burning oil or poor fuel quality. That's what you get when you run cheap fuel, or poor fuel quality, or bad filtration. All that shit comes out the injector and gets sprayed right on the back of the valve. And that's why you get sticky, heavy carbon deposits, especially on your intake side. So that's just some observations. Then what else? These two, same thing. What? You look at the 45. See, it gets skinny right there. Probably what? I'll put it down, but yeah, you can see it starts to get skinny right around there. And then again, the carbon. So yeah, intake side is shot. And so really now the only way forward with this head is, obviously it'll need all new intake valves and then a full set of guides, because everything that has to do with the sealing of the cylinder head, it all starts with the guides. Whoops. Well, that ain't no good. We know that. Goddamn thing slipping. But anyway, it was fucked up anyway, so I don't give a shit. So yeah. Anyhow, yeah, everything starts with the guides, So, because to center the cutter and everything, it's all based off of the guides. So we gotta start from scratch on this one. So that's what's up. I'm out of here. Later.